podcast.
Hey, it's Susan Edwards at the Rock Shop at 311 Broadway in historic downtown Paducah, and we had a great question from a customer today about a curse or a hex. And I'm going to turn this over to Jonathan, and he's going to tell us a little bit more about the nature of that and what, if anything, can be done.
Okay, hey guys, so I had a customer come in asking about hexes or curses. She feels like there's been a curse put on her. She's under assault from someone else. Okay, so let's talk curses for a second. They do exist. They are very powerful. With that being said, very rare. It's very rare that someone has enough focus and energy built up to send out a curse or a hex. So a lot of times whenever an afflicted person feels like they're cursed or hexed, it's in their own head. And there are little techniques you can use to get rid of the curse that you're kind of doing to yourself. But every once in a while, you'll come across somebody who does know what they're doing, and they will put that evil eye on you. The good news is that curses and hexes are base magic, meaning it's very simple to break. And because it is base magic, anybody can kind of pull it off, sending a curse.
So what's one thing that you can do yourself if you think you have been cursed or
Okay,
hexed?
the first thing that I always do whenever I don't want to say I feel like I've been cursed, but whenever I get that feeling like I'm under psychic attack, curse, whatever, the first thing that I always turn to is sage. Sage everything. Sage your home, sage your kids, sage everything. And then a lot of times I will turn to ritual baths with, aura cleansing salts and stuff like that, essential oils, herbs, a lot of natural things that you can do to kind of get the affliction off of yourself and off of your aura and cleanse your energies. Because anytime someone curses someone, they're attaching themselves to their energies. So you gotta whisk that clean.
Cutting your cords would be a good thing.
Yeah, cutting the cords would be a great way, a great start. Now, if it's an actual legit curse, it's going to take a little more than cutting your cords.
So would your advice be, if you think you're under attack or have a curse or a hex, first thing is just to relax?
Breathe. It's going to be okay.
And don't give that power to someone?
Yeah. Because the first thing you do, especially if the person who sent it doesn't know what they're doing and didn't actually send it, all you're doing, your own energy, it's like a self-fulfilling kind of thing. You're doing the work for them, so don't do that. Breathe, relax, ground yourself, come into the Rock Shop for a tune-up, and come talk to me, and we'll get it all settled out. So, guys, thank you so much. Bye, guys.